Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to another topic where we are going to learn about the for loops. Okay, so what is for loop? For loop will help you to print or execute the same statement multiple times. Okay, so let me show you the syntax. Let's say I want to print 1 to 10 number. Okay, so in that case, syntax of the for loop is for, then initialization, semicolon, then condition, semicolon, then increment or decrement, and then curly bracket open, statement, semicolon. So this is your for loop. You can comment the code by using the shortcut like Control K C. Okay, this is how you can comment. Uncomment करायचं असेल तर Control K D. Sorry, not T. Control K C again. Okay. Control K U for uncomment, K C for comment. Okay, मैं daily basis वर करतो but विसरलो. Okay. So this is your syntax of for loop. Now I just wanted to write the example. So example काय लिहायचं आपल्याला की I wanted to print 1 to 10 numbers. Without for loop, if someone asks you to write 1 to 10 numbers, what you will do? You will do like this. Console.writeLine 1. Okay. Console.writeLine 2. Then writeLine 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number print करायचे तर 10 line लिहावा लागेल. Okay, same statement you will have to repeat 10 times, right? In order to print 1 to 10 numbers. बघा याचा आन्सर काय येतो? याचा आन्सर येणार 1 and then 2. काहीतरी एरर आली. Okay. Result we have just commented, so we need to remove this line as well. Start the program. Here you will see 1, 2. Okay. So if you write the same statement again and again 10 times, then it will print 1 to 10 number. But this is not the right way to do, right? This is not the correct way. You should have a single statement, console.writeLine, and here you can print a dynamic value, and this statement should get executed again and again 10 times. So to achieve that, you will need the for loop. Okay, a for loop. याच्यात तो काय सांगतोय बघा, initialization. I want a variable I which has the current value is equal to 0. Okay, I want to print line number 18 10 times. So I will need to add some condition which will execute 10 iterations. Okay, so for value of I is 0, and if I add a condition like I less than 10, okay, and I plus plus, त्यावेळेस काय होणार, it will print this statement line number 19 10 times. Why 10 times? Because the condition is like that, and increment decrement is for per iteration it will increase the one value. So current I has a 0, I 0 is less than 10, it will go here, print the 1, not 1. I want to print I, dynamic value. Okay, current value is 0, 0 is less than 10, it will print 0. I plus plus, 0 चा काय झाला तो आता 1 झाला. 1 is less than 10, yes, it will come here, it will print 1. I plus plus, I किती झाला आता 2. 2 is less than 10, yes, it will come here, print 2. 2 is I झाला आता 3. 3 is less than 10, 4. 4 is less than 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is less than 10, yes, it will print 9. Now it becomes 10. 10 is less than 10, no, 10 is not less than 10, 10 is equal to 10. So in that case, it will not go inside this loop again, it will come out of this loop and print the read key. Okay, मग काय झालं, सुरुवातीला त्याने प्रिंट केला 0 to 9. याचा आन्सर काय येणार 0 to 9. बघा रन करून बघा 0 to 9. You see? So this is not the expected output. Expected output was 1 to 10, not 0 to 9. In that case, you can assign the initial value as a 1 and less than or equal to 10. म्हणजे काय? सुरुवातीला 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 आणि मग तू चेक करणार 10 is less than 10, no, false. But 10 is equal to 10, yes, true. मग तो परत एकदा त्याला इटरेशन करणार. मग इथे 10 प्रिंट होणार. मग झाला 11. 11 is less than 10, no. 11 is equal to 10, no. It will come outside of the for loop. Print the rate. बघा आता 1 to 10 number print होते. आले? So this is the for loop. Okay, any doubts so far in for loop? No doubt. Okay, inside the for loop we can also add some more condition. जसं की we can make a combination of for loop and if statement in order to add some condition. जसं की I just wanted to print even numbers between 1 to 10. So what condition I will write here? If I divided by 2 equal to 0, then only it should get printed, otherwise not. Okay, if you are having only one condition, one statement, you don't have to write that one curly bracket. Okay, if you are having more than one statement, you can write the curly bracket. I have only one, I am not going to write it. So condition is this for loop will iterate 10 times, but this statement only get printed when number is even because of this condition. बघा आता या ठिकाणी काय प्रिंट होईल 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. म्हणजे याने काय केला 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 हे स्किप केलं. वाय स्किप केलं? कारण की बिफोर प्रिंटिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट I have a condition. Even though this for loop will iterate 10 times, it will only go inside this condition if it is a even number. So that is the condition. So we can make the combination of for loop and if block in order to add some additional condition to your program. Okay, so this is all about for loop. If you have any questions, you can ask me. No question? Okay, great. Let me stop the recording. We'll meet again in next session.